Hello guys, Sanjay here, and as you can see I have the OnePlus XS box over here, and this is the champagne gold variant and not the black variant, which I have already done some videos on. And I ordered this champagne gold variant from gearbest.com just because it was not available in India at that time, and I thought that OnePlus will take 4 to 6 months to release the champagne gold variant in India. So I just ordered from there and they released the champagne gold variant in India just a week back, and the price on gearbest.com is also almost similar, so I was not that worried about the price because I wanted the champagne gold variant anyways. And I ordered this with a post, so Netherlands Post was the one that I chose for this, and as you can see the packaging is a lot damaged and it's not that great. The phone inside is safe but packaging is not that good, and this is the thing which you should be careful about when you ordered it with post. So Netherlands Post, I guess, yeah, I ordered this with Netherlands Post. And you get this adapter also, so just in case the charger does not fit in the socket of your wall, then you can use this adapter and plug the charger inside this. So let's keep this aside and let's switch to unboxing. And here is the phone. Okay, so here is the phone. Let's remove everything. And the phone surely looks very good, and the reason why I ordered the white variant is because it will not get as many fingerprints as the black variant would, and surely on the white variant the fingerprints will not be visible as it is a lot visible on the black variant. So yeah, this is the phone and it surely looks very good. So let's unbox the rest of the things, and almost everything which is going to come inside the box is similar to the black variant, so I'll just fast forward this part. So yeah, this is pretty much it for the unboxing. So now let's switch on the device, and now let's take a look at this beautiful device. And white color surely looks cool according to me, and the golden edges are really beautiful. And if we move to the bottom side, then you will find a speaker grill and the micro USB port. And due to the gold color, I guess this looks pretty much similar to the iPhone 6. And at the left side we will find the notification slider, by which you can change the notifications from all notifications to priority or to no interruptions. And on the top we have 3.5mm headphone jack and a noise cancellation mic. And on the right side we have power button and volume keys and a SIM card tray also. And I am showing you these parts of the phone just because it looks really good. So now let's switch to the device, and as you can see we have booted into the phone. And Google, this is not the actual Google. DU booster is already installed, DU battery saver, DU speed booster, and UC mini. All these applications are not supposed to be on the Oxygen OS, so this is a ROM which the vendor has installed on the OnePlus X, and I do not like it at all. And if we go into settings now, then about phone, Oxygen OS version is 2.1.2, Android version is 5.1.1, which you guys probably know by now. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this champagne gold variant unboxing, guys. So if you like this video, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any doubts, suggestions or queries regarding the OnePlus X, then do let me know about that in the comment section below. And if you have OnePlus X, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because all the awesome content related to OnePlus X is going to come on the channel, like ROMs, tutorials, tips, how to unbreak, how to break, not how to break exactly, but how to unbreak stuff. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you for watching.